This video is designed to serve as a guide, and because each repair may be fact-dependent, we cannot guarantee that the information presented here will fix your issue. We are not responsible for any damage to your equipment while attempting these procedures. A common issue with 35mm SLRs is a loose rewind knob coming off. Once this happens, the rewind shaft may fall on the body and make it very difficult to open the film door. Here's a quick and easy method for fixing this problem. In this video, we'll show you two kinds of release knobs, both on different K1000 bodies. Most knobs unscrew counterclockwise from the rewind shaft. The exception is the new style K1000s with a plastic rewind shaft. On this model, the rewind knob is screwed into the rewind shaft at the cross point screw. Here are the shafts from two different cameras. On the left, the newer plastic, and on the right is the older metal shaft. For the first step, we're using a dentist's tool, but you can substitute this for something with a small hook on the end. Slide the hook down the hole where the rewind shaft used to be. Move it down until you grab onto a small bushing at the end. Once you have it, pull up. Here it is with the back open so you can get a good look at what you're aiming for. Pulling up on this bushing releases the catch for the rear door of the camera. Once it's open, you'll now have to slide the shaft back in place. This can be difficult because there's a small detent spring blocking the path back up. You can see it here, located at the 7 o'clock position. What's happening here is the detent spring is preventing the shaft from upward travel. This detent spring was designed to fit and lock into a groove cut into the rewind shaft. This next part can be a little tricky. You'll need something very pointed and thin to push the detent spring to the side while you apply upward pressure on the rewind shaft. Once the detent spring is out of the way, the shaft should pop right up into place. Now that it's through, screw the knob into the threads clockwise. Using a small screwdriver, hold the shaft in place to give it a little extra turn. Now you're ready to go. Next, we'll do the newer style K1000 body. Using a crochet needle, we try to hook the bushing again. This time the hole is a little bigger and the bushing is located a little further down. Slide the rewind shaft back into place until it hits the top. Using a small screwdriver, push the metal detent spring out of the path of the rewind shaft while applying upward pressure. Once the shaft locks in, put the knob back on top and screw it in place. You're ready to roll. If this or any of our other videos were able to help you, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any ideas for future videos, let us know in the comments section. And if you need any of the required parts for our repair videos, feel free to contact us. We have an extensive catalog of replacement parts spanning the last 4 decades of photography.